Yawning is a common behavior that we've all experienced. But have you ever stopped to wonder why we yawn? In this video, we'll explore the science behind yawning, its potential triggers, and its physiological and social functions. Contrary to popular belief, yawning isn't just a sign of boredom or sleepiness. It's a complex reflex action that involves the mouth, throat, and lungs. Various theories suggest that yawning may serve to cool the brain, improve alertness, or signal a transition in activities. Some studies even indicate that yawning could be contagious, possibly as an evolutionary adaptation for synchronizing group behavior. So the next time you catch yourself yawning, remember that it's not just a simple act, but a fascinating scientific phenomenon.